Hello guys, I'm here. Today we're going to be unboxing the PlayStation G29 Logitech, whatever. Works with the PlayStation 3, 4, and 5, which is really good. So let's begin. I don't know where to start unboxing this because there's a bunch of security tape on it. So yeah. And this box is really big, so I'm just gonna start ripping until I can find. Okay, there's some of the tape. I don't think that's gonna let me open it. Let's see. Actually, this side might be better. I'm probably not gonna get great angles because of this box being big. Okay. Should have removed this beforehand, but oh well. I will show everything once this. Oh, I'm gonna have to. I'm going to take off all the tape. I really hate this tape. There we go. Should be good. Now I got this side. Lovely. So there's a bunch of tape right there. I don't know why they do this. Like, I want to pause it until I get it. Okay, so I finally removed it. Well, let's begin here. I don't know if I can get any good angles. I'll have to show on the camera. So let me take it out of it. So we have standard, warnings and whatever. That's not really important. We have, this is the power brick. So that's cool. So yeah, you just plug that in and stuff to the outlet, whatever. I'm not gonna do a video of me like using it, but I'm just gonna do the unboxing part. Oh yeah, I forgot this includes the shifter, not the shifter, the wheel and the pedals. I have the Driving Force GT, and this is going to replace that. Oh yeah, that feels good. That's nice. Okay. So here, this is. Looks nice. Pretty cool. And is that it? Yeah, there's not really that much that you need. It's gonna be a quick unboxing, really. And then here's the wheel. Set this over here. Okay. So that I like that. That's actually really nice. And then you got the peel, which I will showcase for you guys. Let's see if I can. Let's see. Nice. I think that's the only peel I need to do. But yeah, I thought I'd get it because it was on sale. And I wanted something that worked with my PS4, or if I get a PS5 in the future, for some reason. Yeah, I figured I'd, get that for that. So yeah, not too shabby. And then you get the, let's see, I might need to take off these little, so underneath it, you have like your mounting. But I might need to take off, there's, let's see, I don't know if I can show it on camera here. There's, this thing right here I need to take off. Alright, let's see. That thing right there. So, just to fit on my desk. Honestly, if you have like a nice, flat desk, you don't really need them. So I'm gonna have to figure out, let's see. Probably just gotta tighten that. Just to take it off. I assume, because the GT, the Driving Force GT, that comes off. So, but yeah, that's it pretty much. If you guys enjoy this unboxing, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.